Hey y'all, I'm thinking about sauteing me some collard greens, and I thought that this was a good opportunity to show you how I store my collard greens after I wash them, and I spin them in a salad spinner, and I put them on a sheet pan, and I let them dry completely. I roll them up in a paper towel like this and put them inside of a Ziploc bag. That's how I keep them dry and fresh. These are about a week old, and I'm getting ready to slice them up and just saute some because I want some greens right now. But if you do all your vegetables like this, they will keep longer in the refrigerator and stay dry. The key is that most people wash their vegetables, and some people spin them, some people don't spin them. But even after you spin them, they still have enough liquid in them that they don't need to be stored that way. You need to also lay them out on a sheet pan, lay them out on your countertop, on a table or something, and let them dry completely. Roll them up in a paper towel and then stuff them in a Ziploc bag, get all the air out, and throw them in your vegetable bin. They will keep for weeks. I have had collard greens in my refrigerator for weeks during this process, and this is the right way to do just about all of my vegetables like this. So I want to encourage you to do this, and I am a firm believer that you should prep vegetables and not meals, because if all your vegetables are already washed, dried, clean, stored away, when you walk in that house after a hard day's work, or you've been working out, a track meet, a meeting, or whatever, when you walk in that house, you automatically have you something good to cook. You can make a salad out of your vegetables. You can saute your vegetables. You can steam them, boil them. You can roast your vegetables, but they're already cleaned and prepped. Don't worry about prepping chicken for 5 days, because here's the deal. Here's what most people miss with the meal prepping thing. Only very disciplined people, y'all, can eat the same thing for 5, 6 days in a row. I have no idea on a Sunday that if I prep 5 days worth of chicken and vegetables, that on Thursday I still want to eat chicken and vegetables. And that's where a lot of meal prepping gets tossed in the garbage. Prep your vegetables and not your meat, so that you always have something to eat. You can always decide on what kind of meat you want to go with the vegetables, or if you want meat or not, okay? Prep vegetables and not meals. I hope this tip helps you do this to keep your vegetables fresh and dry. I'm Val Taylor, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Bye now.